I went now morning.
Afternoon.
Afternoon. Just wake people. Trust me. I want all of this to over too. Last night I get a better sleep, I'm not gonna lie. Probably true me tired, probably true me frustrated, probably true me just I say, you know what? Listen to what the people must say. Just give everything time. So me I say, I don't know how much time I have to give it, but I know I say when it comes to when somebody feel a way about something, you can't tell them say get over it. That is very selfish. You can't say yo, you should have good in an hour. You see what I say? So I just try give as much space. I try call 2 times before I go to bed. I don't get no answer. I go to bed. I pray. I sleep, you see me? I not even know my dream. I don't know. I don't dream nothing. I don't know. But I just try be positive, that's what I say. I not try, I don't like this feeling if you have to come on camera and be gloomy and sad. These days when I'm sad, I don't post no video. That's what I say. So enough time when I don't see me no vlog for weeks is either I'm busy, do other stuff, or I'm sad. That's what I say. I don't really say sad. Sometimes, if you take a break from the media, good too. That's what I say. So, I don't feel like this. Like, I don't feel good for no me if I come on camera come be sad or be droopy. I just need somebody to talk to. I get some calls, I answer some calls. When it get too stressful, I just keep my phone down because yes, everybody got tell you what them think if you do or something. But when you're in a situation on a different level of stress, yes, it's good for just chill. But at the end of the day, I'm me one in here sleep. I'm not used to that 2 days. I don't know which part my girl is. I just feel like she alright, but I don't know which part she is. So, I don't know. I don't know how I'm supposed to feel about that, because me is a responsible person. So, I'm very caring too. So, there's no way I could have there to sleep. Like, everything will be alright, not knowing where she is. You know what I say? Otherwise, as I say, I just give it the amount of time it needs, because I don't feel like it's something we should have left me about. But at the end of the day, she feel that way about something. Give her space. I guess when a woman needs time, them really need time. We as men don't understand what ladies go through. There is so much to learn in life. Nobody not perfect. And it's just a learning process. One thing though, I kind of sit down and think. I kind of like meditate on the root of the problem, because I don't believe in if you complain. I don't believe in if you stay droopy so long. I don't believe in if like attack the situation wrong, you see me? I feel like the whole thing that cause this situation and when we did the studio, right? So obviously it has stemmed from what did happen between me and the girl in the studio. I go call her and I go try to link up with her today. I need to do this. Like my sister, the whole embarrassment and the audacity of certain stuff are going cause the problem. So I go give it a try to link up with her and try to set things straight. I don't know, it can backfire as well. I don't know, but I don't know. I'm out of options. That's what I say. I'm out of options until I hear from Angel. And I don't know. You know what? I go come feel torment. I go to bed, get some tea, go up on the road, go buy some food, and then I go check back in. So come. The link Sudin and Ashi I go pick up right now. Yo. I went now morning. Afternoon. I just try fix the root of the problem, you see me I say? Because I'm shaking at the guns cause the problem. So I try fix things, as me I say. So before me even try sort out the root, I just want apologize again for in the past. Cause people I try be an adult here right now. Just want to apologize for what happened in the past. And I say sorry again. You still have me up?
No. I mean, I still have up here. That I passed a long time. We did young, I understand. So you apologize. Although we did young and all these things. Yeah. But I not have up here.
Not anymore?
Not anymore.
Okay. When me there go on with my bag of antics in the studio, you feel like me don't give in though? Be honest.
No, not really. I mean that pressure you still.
Oh, so you never feel like me go fall to your trap? Cause remember me I used to talk, you know, remember and I like say, I don't know what you like and you don't know what me like, you know. So you really feel like me never...
One night time we think so, but the whole baby situation, the reason why me tell you about the baby now, because when you want to burn your skin, because then again, I know you love baby. I always talk about baby and I know say yeah, that how good something could have catch you if you see a reaction, and that's why I tell you that.
Oh, okay. So you have baby for you then?
Yeah.
Oh, you really... Yo, I'm not lie, you know. You don't catch me still. I'm not lie, I nearly jump out and made me see a step in the studio. Because I don't know where I say to myself, say, yo, what you do here, so?
The plan for work and it did off for work.
Oh.
Banger.
See, you turn all prankster now.
I know.
But you know, we just see that for link up if you just like clear the ear and them thing there. So you see what going on do, say my girl active with the home.
Yeah, me I see everything, but I don't say everything so gone back good with you and I just a prank, like you know. I when I watch it back me I say if I'm me, would I feel away too. Yeah, would I feel away. But then again, you know, a prank, so I have to put in, I have to put in for spicy, I couldn't lay more the thing, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, but...
You never expect so like you that go so far?
No, I never expect that. But everything's so good with you and she just want to have some, you know, some time for herself. I think about what to do. She now just give up so easy. Maybe she just say what she have to say, you know, but when she go look into it, nobody not going to really give up. You know?
Because of that?
That don't make no sense. Give up for left your man for kiss somebody else? No, that... I don't think so. Maybe she soon come.
Hold on. So yeah, say.
Nobody not going to do that.
Ja, no.
I love a prank. You know, nobody not going to left their man for give one next woman. Them are going to prefer fight it out there. You know, not eventually fight, but...
You know, physically, but...
Yeah, make things work out. That me only left my man for nobody. That not gonna work. You know, she does a go through what she have to go through. But yeah, not soon good again.
Real talk. Alright. Makes sense. Isn't it? Makes sense. Make all heap of sense. But you're good otherwise though. Nobody cuss you out yet. You mash up my relationship. Cause if me never in the wrong but I cuss out you, say you mash up my relationship still, me trust me.
No, sir.
I accept the blame because of me with my bag of antics. You see me so. And then you see you go ask you say if you miss me. Yo, to be honest, you know, me just ask you because me and my mind I say, yo, she really would I want to come after years for nothing. She must miss me for real then. I never know more and know I care if you miss me, you know. Just I say, yo, you miss me. You see me so.
But that is a natural something for ask somebody if they miss them, if you not see them for a long while.
Exactly, you go come there so. Cause remember I didn't know what was going on. But anyway, Nah, justify that, you see it. But just let's say thing there. Just let's say thing there. Nah, nobody now cuss you out.
People as well always say like, you know, you mash up the man, what say.
Oh, so alright, so we have some people where
people as well I say that, but you know.
You don't prankster now.
Jaja.
First you trick me say you're an artist, now me have find out say he's a prankster. But alright then. I just did want to like, you know, be straightforward with you, face to face, and make the people them hear what go on from me, because I know some I have to give an explanation, but I have to do the right thing. You see what I say? So yeah. So I'm gonna cut you now, big up yourself, you see it. Hopefully everything go on good with them, just hope my life fix, you see it?
Alright then.
Alright, come on. Alright people, so take a bit. When I slam my Benz doors are hard. People, I could just hold the faith, yeah.